People cannot live in isolation from each other and their environment. Hence, caring for others and preserving the nature is our joint responsibility. We have received plenty, and it is time to give back and contribute accordingly. These days, corporations' caring programs are no longer just a trend or mere obligations anymore, but it is a social investment that is realized through effective and sustainable activities for the community.
The establishment of Yayasan Danamon Peduli is really an extension of our corporate social responsibility to care for millions, following with our motto of enabling millions to prosper. The projects that we are focused on involves our investment with the society and the social activities that focus on sustainability. And hence the reason why we involve all the partners that includes Danamon employees and also Adira employees, and also partnerships with the various stakeholders in ensuring these projects are successful and has got the support of the various participants.
Ada 3 hal yang selalu mewarnai program-program Yayasan Danamon Peduli. Pertama, selain kami memastikan kebermanfaatan, kami juga ingin agar program-program kami ini merupakan katalis sehingga dapat mengundang partisipasi luas berbagai kalangan lain. Hal kedua yang kami juga pastikan bahwa program kami senantiasa merupakan bagian dari program pembangunan lokal. Hal ini agar program yang kami lakukan ini mempunyai keberlanjutan dan juga ada rasa kepemilikan, baik oleh Pemda maupun oleh masyarakat. Hal yang terakhir, kami meyakini pengalaman dari yang kami lalui selama ini maupun pengalaman dari pelaku lain adalah sumber pembelajaran yang berharga. Oleh karena itu, Yayasan Danamon Peduli mengusahakan agar kami terus belajar dan belajar, agar program yang kami lakukan di kedepan hari semakin baik dan semakin bermanfaat.
The Pasar Sejahtera program is YDP's form of commitment to support traditional market revitalization, which focuses on environmental health improvement in the markets. Through the learning process gained from past experience in dealing with traditional markets, we believe that it is necessary to adopt a more synergetic and comprehensive approach in supporting market revitalization. Starting with the market cleanup movement in 2005, YDP consistently increased its activities to support traditional markets, notably through the Integrated Waste Management Scheme in the markets, which were established in 31 regencies and municipalities. And in 2010, Pasar Sejahtera program was launched, starting with 5 initial pilot sites, which will be expanded eventually. The Pasar Sejahtera activities focus on the quality enhancement of environmental health in the markets, through infrastructure improvements to support the market's daily activities, and also behavioral change programs through various educational and training workshops for the market traders, with the close involvement of local government and related institutions. Through the Rapid Disaster Response Program, YDP, together with Danamon and Adira volunteers, aim to realize the motto of to be one of the first private sectors on the scene in the wake of a disaster. We continuously strive to increase our effectiveness and efficiency by providing skill training for our volunteers, resource mobilization to meet the needs of the disaster's victims, and post-disaster rehabilitation of public facilities. Danamon's concern and care for the environment had begun as early as since 2005. The activities were first focused in the market area, and in latter years expanded to other areas as well, because we realize that the coverage and scope of environmental problems are very broad. Each activity emphasizes on behavioral change as an initial step towards awareness and commitment to prevent adverse impact of disasters, in this case, man-made disasters. Now, these activities are organized in a program called Caring for Our Environment Month that involves volunteers from all of Danamon and Adira's branches spread out across the country. The activities, which YDP initiated, have increased community participation and furthermore, facilitated their collaboration with the respective local governments in making significant improvements continuously. Recognition is something to be grateful for, but not a reason to be complacent. Instead, they serve as a source of inspiration and motivation to keep learning and work even harder, to give more benefit to more people in the coming years.
Kita tidak mungkin berjalan sendirian. Kerjasama, saling pengertian,
belajar, dan terus belajar
adalah awal keberhasilan kita.
Masih banyak yang bisa kita lakukan.
Saatnya
Anda,
Ya, Anda,
kita
bekerja bersama-sama.
bisa,
pasti bisa.
bisa, kita bisa untuk esok yang lebih baik.